holding this press briefing today, of course, with the legal cell team that we have with Bak and Pham next to me and Lamang next to me. Why we holding this press briefing is basically we would like to at least inform the public at large as to the updates of the writ petition that we had filed in the High Court against the MLAs who had switched ships rather and defected from the party itself and joined the NPP, which happened in, I think, in August 2024. There are very strong grounds for which we'd like to pursue this case, because right from day one we keep on telling people that we will not take this thing very easily, because it's very unconstitutional the way the thing has happened, whereby MLAs cannot just jump from one party to the other in their whims and their fancies, correct? So because of which I think you're all aware, we had filed a complaint with the speaker himself, and on very flimsy grounds the speaker had rejected the petition in which we had filed, citing causes that anybody who files a petition has to be an MLA and so on and so forth. But according to the Constitution and according to a ruling by the Supreme Court, in fact, anybody who has any interest within the party and so on and so forth is allowed to do this. So because of which, again, we lost the petitioner himself, the original petitioner, who's Rodney. The rejection from as far as from the speaker's table himself is again very flimsy. So we decided that we'll go to court, and for which we had gone to court, and we had filed with the court, and I think there had been 4 hearings. 4 hearings that had five hearings that has happened, and we stand on very strong grounds. I think the technicalities of the grounds basically Bak and Pham will brief you, and it is progressing very well. And why we keep on saying this, because I think we would like to send this message very loud and clear, not just to the present politicians, but also to the future politicians of the state, that you know, the rule of the land or the Constitution will not allow you just to do whatever you want and jump wherever you want just because you get either some benefits that has been promised by some parties or the other. Because at the end of the day, we have this firm belief that it's a mandate of the people that you got elected, and for which we are going to pursue this case to its logical end. And we are very happy to tell you that in so far in all the hearings that has happened, it is very, very positive towards the case in which we have presented to the court, and we are hopeful that this will send a very strong message and will send a very big lessons to the future politicians as well of the state, that we should not take things too lightly when it comes to such thing as defecting from one party to the other. Now the technicalities of the same, I think Bak and Pham will be the best, since he's representing from our side.
So regarding this case, the Congress Party, to the Secretary of the MPCC, Manuel, we had represented the case before the Honorable High Court in Meghalaya. So at this juncture, the case is pending for hearing, and we have served the copy. We have already served the notice to all the MLAs, and of course, from the very beginning, the speaker has also appeared before the High Court. So now the speaker here is supposed to file the affidavit to challenge our petition, and at the same time, so we have in our case, we have filed on the ground that under paragraph 6 of Meghalaya Disqualification Rules 1972, and along with the 10th schedule of Indian Constitution. So right now we are about 5 hearings is taken place, but the case we are hoping that the case we are pursuing this case. The Congress Party has shown the seriousness that pursuing the case to the court of law, like our colleague has stated that this is that so that in the future will not happen anymore. Like we expect that this case will travel even to the Supreme Court also, and we are ready, and our legal team from Delhi, Manu Singvi as the chairman, and Salman Khurshid and some of the other senior advocate also, they are in Delhi, so they will we will see the order from the High Court. And after that, if we need to pursue it to the Supreme Court also, we are ready to take up the case till the Supreme Court.